In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit prices in Shopify. If you manage an online store with a lot of products, changing prices one by one can be slow and frustrating. The bulk editor in Shopify makes this much easier, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use it so you can update multiple prices at once, quickly and safely. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open your full product list. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct set of items. You can use filters or the search bar to narrow down to a specific collection, vendor, or keyword if that helps. Next, select the products you want to edit. To do this, click the little empty checkbox on the left side of each product row. You can select just a few or scroll and select many. If you need to select everything on the page, use the checkbox at the very top of the list. Once you've chosen all the products you want to change, look above the product list and click the Bulk Edit button. This will open the Bulk Product Editor in a spreadsheet-style view. Inside the Bulk Editor, you'll see your selected products as rows, with different product details as columns. The main price column is usually included by default, so you should already see the current base prices for each item. If that's all you need to edit, you can work directly in that column. If you want to adjust other pricing related fields like compare at price, unit price, cost per item, or tax options, go to the top right of the editor and click columns. A drop-down will appear. Scroll to find the pricing section, then check the boxes for the specific fields you want to edit. As you select them, new columns will appear in the editor, allowing you to make changes side by side. Now, click into any cell in the table and type the new value you want. You can move between cells using your keyboard, just like in a spreadsheet, which makes it faster to update many products. Take your time to double check the numbers so you don't accidentally overprice or underprice a product. When you're happy with your updates, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Shopify will apply all of your changes to the selected products. Wait for the save to complete, and your new prices will now be live on your store.